Hi friends, I'm back with another new amazing tutorial. In this video I'm going to show how to edit special ink splash photo editing tutorial. It is very simple and easy, and you have to download a 2 or 4 PNGs. Okay, I will give you the PNGs link in the description. You can go and download there. You can see how amazing and beautiful it is. You can also edit your image like this, and I'm going to show other two models. This is another model I edited. You can see it is also very beautiful, and this is the second one, and this is the third one. You can edit, just follow my video, so you can also know how to, you can learn how to edit images like this. Now let's check in the video without wasting time. First of all, I have to open Picsart. Okay friends, now we are in Picsart application, and after opening you have to tap on this plus icon and add your model image directly. Tap on this model image, and this is a model image I am going to use now. By using this cutout tool, you can see here, by using this cutout tool I am going to cut the background, and we want only model image. Okay, and I am going to do, big friends, it will take time, so I am going to do in fast forward mode. Okay, friends, it is how it look like after the using the cutout tool. The model is alone. Now what you have to do is you have to simply go to draw, and you have to save your image. Okay friends, save your image and you have to get back. Okay, or you can open it freshly. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to go to pick canvas from starting, and you have to rotate this, and you have to select 1024 into 1280 white background. Okay, and you have to arrange it like this, and go to empty layer, and in this empty layer you have to add your model image which you cut out by using the cutout tool. Okay, and remember friends, when you use cutout tool, automatically the cutout image will be saved in the stickers. Okay, you can find here, go to add photo, go to stickers. Okay, go to my stickers and go to cutouts, and you can see this is the model image which you just cut. Okay, you can see, and what you have to do is you have to arrange it here in the center. Simply arrange it like this, rotate a little bit. Okay, okay, done. Now go to empty layers, and you have to arrange it like, you have to go to empty layer and take another empty layer and simply swap to the second. Now go to add photo and select your PNGs. Okay, first of all I am going to add this one. Okay, tap on tick. Now what you have to do is you have to simply rotate it here and bring it to here like this. Okay, bring it here and arrange it here like this. Okay, arrange it here. Now tap on tick. Now again take another empty layer and bring it to down, and go to add photo and select another PNG. Like you have to fill it. Okay, I am going to select this one, tap on tick. Now I am going to simply rotate it, and I am going to arrange it here in this position. I am going to arrange here, I am going to arrange it here like this. Okay, now bring this image like this. Now again take another empty layer, like that you have to do, I think 5 or 6. Simply swap down and go to add photo, and again I am going to select this one. Okay, there are different types of PNGs, and I am going to arrange it here in this position. Okay, now again go to empty layer, simply swap down, go to add photo, and I have to repeat it like this until we have to fill the background with this splash PNGs. Okay, 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 like this I have to fill, and I am going to take another empty layer, simply swap down and go to add photo, and again I am going to this one, tap on tick, rotate, simply fill like I am doing. Okay, arrange arrange it in this position. Okay, and last one I'm going to add it. Last one, go to add photo. Okay, now tap on tick. Okay, I want to make it here. Okay friends, and I'm going to give another one. Go to empty layer, go to add photo. I'm going to add, tap on tick, and I'm going to keep it here. Okay, or we will bring down. Okay, it is perfect. Done friends. Now we finally filled every part of the background painting. Now go to simply merge everything. Merge everything. Okay, now we have to merge only the PNGs and make this PNG go to here and make it XOR. Okay, and merge it. Now merge it. Now take the an empty layer and bring it down to the first one. Okay, now we have to take this image like this. Now what you have to do is check the brush whether it is full size and the hardness is 100. Check it, set. Now simply zoom in. Now we have to long tap and select the colors in the image. I'm going to select the colors and simply draw. You can see the magic. It is the color splash effect. Okay, simply draw like this. Okay, I'm going to fill it thoroughly everything. Now I'm going to select this light brown and I'm going to dark brown. I'm going to fill it in this position. Okay, now select the shirt color and fill in this position. Okay, it is not very dark, so I'm going to use this color, band color, and I'm going to use in this position. Okay, I'm going to use in this position, and this black color also I'm going to use on the top. Okay, here like this. And what is remaining, you can select it randomly, so I'm going to select the colors dark blue. Okay, I'm going to select this color and sorry, it is coming black. Okay, no problem, we will simply draw black, but it is not nice here, so I'm going to select the green color. I'm going to select the green color and you can fill it in this position. Okay, done. We finally filled everything. Now what you have to do is you have to merge everything. Tap on the second layer, merge it. Now what you have to do is you have to take another empty layer and you have to bring down. Okay, sorry, you can keep here, and now we have to add the other pages. Add photo, and you have to add, remember, and now arrange it in this center like this. Arrange it here in the center. Okay, now take another empty layer and you have to add the main PNG. This PNG you can use only one time. Okay, you can see because it is very big. Now we have to arrange it in the middle. This PNG is useful to cover the body of the models. Okay, from where it is coming. Okay, arrange according to your want. Okay, and I'm going to arrange it here like this. Increase a little size. Okay, now arrange it like this. Now tap on it. Now merge both pics and make it XOR. Okay, make it XOR and merge. Take another empty layer and bring it down. Now we have to repeat the same procedure. Okay, first of all I am going to make it black in the bottom, full black. Okay, and second thing, and I am going to add yellow color for the strips. Okay, here I am going to add yellow color, and in the middle I am going to add the red color, this one. Okay, okay, done friends. Simply merge it. Now go to edit image. Okay friends, finally our special ink splash photo editing tutorial is completed. It is how we can edit your images and you can have fun. You can see it is very beautiful, and everyone can't understand this editing, but it is very special and beautiful photo editing you can edit for your images. I hope you will try for your images and you can have fun. Okay, now if you really enjoy this tutorial and this teaching, please consider like and a subscribe. Okay, and share to your friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share to your friends. Okay, this is all I want to ask from you guys. Now go to draw and save your image and have fun. See you next video with new photo tutorial. Okay, new amazing photo tutorial.